Good evening. Trends Shaping Educational Technology and Distant Education, presented by Ruthie Bass, all the way from Texas. The three words that I chose that represents the trends are vision, leadership, and personal learning networks. I chose vision because leaders have to understand that as the world is changing, then so is time and technology. They have to be willing to have a strong mind to change, ask the tough questions like, what do I want my school to look like in the future? Are we doing the right things right now to get our students ready for the digital world? And also communicate with the staff. Don't keep them in the dark about what's going on. And the next thing was leadership. With leadership, I think they always have to be abreast of what's going on. And Schenninger 2014, he talked about these 6 secrets of change that are very needed when our digital leaders are attempting to implement these brand new technologies into their curriculum and into the school. Schenninger recognizes that leaders can't do it all by themselves. They must take time to collaborate together with other people in the building. And those 6 secrets of change were things like love your employees, connect peers with a purpose, capacity building prevails, learning is the work, transparency rules, and systems learn. And then the last words that I looked at was the personal learning networks, PLNs. I think that leaders need to be connected with the different social media outlets, as well as wikis and digital discussion forums. For the main fact, they need to be in the loop with everyone, not only those that are in the school, but that are in the community as well as globally, to know what technology advances are helping to advance other schools. And in this way, they will be in the know about what's going on. But once again, my 3 words are vision, leadership, and personal learning communities. Thank you, and have a great day now. Bye-bye.